Assalamu alaikum, dear viewer. Today our topic is what are the signs of toxic or nauseous people and how to deal them. Let me share a verse of the Holy Quran. وعباد الرحمن الذين يمشون على الأرض هونا وإذا خاطبهم الجاهلون قالوا سلاما. The servants of compassionate are those who walk upon the earth in humility. When the ignorant address them, they say peace. There are many types of toxic people with different level of toxicity. Toxic or nauseous people might be overly self-constructed, hostile, controlling. A person is probably toxic to you if, number one, you left feeling emotionally exhausted after an encounter with them. Number two, they are easily jealous. The manipulator is so jealous that they try to control the target in an unhealthy way. Number three, you feel bad after being around with him or her, even if you don't know why. Number four, you feel a sense of dread when him or her number appear on your phone, or you feel uneasy when you need to meet with him or her. Number five, the person lacks empathy and feels entitled. She would say it is your fault if you feel bad after being meeting with him or her. Toxic people cause stress in others through their behaviors. They often apologize but later do the same thing. This stress causes physical health problems, slowing your career progress, draining your energy. Problems and other illnesses are direct byproduct of stress created by toxic people. If you are dealing with toxic people, remember to be your own best friends. They take care of yourself. The Prophet Muhammad said, none of you truly believers until you love for his brother what you love for himself. This hadith teaches us to love others, but is also saying that we should already love ourselves in the first place. Now we are moving to the another part of this episode, that how to deal these people. General ideas to deal with toxic people. Number one, start to let them go. Do what you feel is the best way to let them go. Avoid them, don't pick up their calls, and can apologize for being distant, but you don't need to explain why or defend your action. Number two, know your boundaries and stick to them. Be firm, since toxic people want their own way to any. They may try all kinds of emotionally manipulating tactics to get to what they want. So be prepared and be firm. Number three, you may want to talk to them about your problem with them. Keep a record of what is decided. You can follow up a discussion with an email confirmation, inviting correction if anything is wrong. This will help to prevent or expose lying later on. Number four, be polite and honest and try to adhere to the value of Islam. Number five, surround yourself with friends who support and uplift you. Also consult with trustworthy people about your situation. Number five, remember to stay calm when dealing with toxic people, or pretend that there is an invisible shield surrounding you and separating you from their negativity. Number seven, pay attention to the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's help. Such is important information that comes and help you to make a better decision. Number eight, learn from your experience with toxic people so that you can grow and improve your life. Let me conclude. Toxic people are a part of life. Remember to take care of yourself and to believe that you are worthy of having healthy relationships. Seek out support from people you trust, and of course pray and be patient. Are there any tips for dealing with toxic people or your past experience that you would like to share with us? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read them. Thank you, Jazakallah.